Today I'm going to show you how to use a program called Read and Write. Um, this is a Google Chrome app, so in order to download this app you need to be on your web browser Google Chrome. It won't work on Safari or Firefox or anything like that. So to get the app I'm just going to type in Read and Write in my toolbar up here. So we want to make sure we go to the Chrome Web Store since it's a Chrome app. And I've already downloaded this app, so it's going to look a little bit different for you. Basically, the only thing that's different though is this button up here will say Add to Chrome instead of Added to Chrome. So you'll just click on that and it'll kind of give you a little bit of a tutorial on how to use the app. So, since I've already downloaded it, I'm going to go into, I have Google Docs opened right here. When you go into a new website, it's going to show this icon right here. This is the Read and Write icon. And when you click on that, it'll bring up this toolbar. So these are the different things that you can do with Read and Write. And like I said, it needs to be in Google Chrome, so I couldn't type up a paper on Word. I could use my Google Docs or whatever I open up in Google Chrome. So I'll show you what kind of all of these tools do. This is a really good resource for students who have a hard time typing if they have low motor skills. This is a good resource for them. It's a good resource for students who maybe have a hard time spelling words. And it just gives them a way that they can write papers, or they can, do whatever. They can make PowerPoints. It's just a really good resource. They can look up different things that they're interested in. If they're interested in birds, they can look up a website on birds and it'll read things for them. If they highlight it, it'll read things for them. So I'll go through these. This is called word prediction. So I'm going to turn that on. So every time I type something, if I want to type the word mountain, it'll come up with lots of different options. If I kind of roll over this, it should speak it
Mountain.
for me. So I know exactly what word it's talking about. So that's word prediction, and that's really helpful, like I said, for students who maybe have a harder time spelling. That's a good way to get them involved in writing. This is a dictionary, so let's choose a word first. If I write the word mountain here and select it and click dictionary, it'll give me the definition of that word. So that's a really good resource. It's a good learning tool. You also have your picture dictionary, which I love personally. So yeah, it'll give you lots of options, different pictures to kind of help you understand what that word is. There's a play version. So if I type something on here and highlight it, it will speak it for me.
Hello, my name is Emily.
So like I said, this is useful when you're in researching. Like I said, if you're researching birds, you could go to a website and highlight that paragraph or a sentence, whatever you want to read about that, and it'll speak it for you so that you don't have to read it if that's hard for you. There's also a fact finder, so that'll help you search the internet and look for different kinds of facts. This is speech input. So if I click on this, this will allow me to just talk to the computer instead of typing it in. So this is good for students who have low motor skills or maybe can't spell very well. This is a really good resource for them. So I'll show you. Hello, my name is Emily. And it's pretty accurate, as you can see. Sometimes it messes up, but it's really a really useful tool. And then, like I said, you could speak it. So that could be useful for nonverbal students. It acts kind of like a voice. You have a translator up here, so if you have something written in French and you don't understand it, you can highlight it and translate it, and it'll tell you what it is in English, or whatever. You can select your languages that you want it to translate to. You have highlighters and different resources for that while you're reading. So this is a really good resource, like I said, for students with low motor skills, maybe have a hard time with spelling things. This will get them involved in writing papers, which is a really good skill for them to know and researching things to write papers.